How to rename your Snapchat friend. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to rename your Snapchat friend. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Head to the camera section of Snapchat and then tap on the chats icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Now select the friend for which you want to rename your Snapchat friend. So you need to tap and hold it, and then a menu box pop up on your screen where you need to select the option of Manage Friendship, and at the bottom tap Edit Name option. You can easily delete this name and set it to new one. Now tap to Save button, and then you will easily see that we have successfully renamed our friend's name on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.